Hi guys, welcome back to Business Map Kitchen. Today we'll be cooking for you some cabbage and saltfish with some plain rice. Here we have the rice over here already and roast breadfruit on the fire. Now we'll begin by getting the cabbage washed along with the sweet pepper and the pepper. The saltfish is already cooked, only for me to pick and debone. So let's get started, guys. Now the cabbage are washed and we're going to be putting them on the chopping board. Cabbage according to how you like it, fine, or you can cut it a little bit according to how you like your cabbage. It's on the fire and I'm turning it and waiting for it to product of the cabbage. I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to prepare the seasoning for the cabbage and also for the saltfish. Some of my cabbage are a little bit big, so I'm going through and I'm cutting them small because I like when my cabbage is cut small. So I'm preparing the garlic and the sweet pepper, and the onion and tomato. These are for the saltfish and the cabbage. These were already washed when I was washing cabbage. on the breadfruit again, so I'm using a long fork just to prevent my hands from the heat. These are for the vegetable and the saltfish now. I'm going to scrape the saltfish because I had already cooked the saltfish overnight and put it in the fridge just to make it more easier for me. So now I'm going to debone the saltfish and then I'm going to wash it again so I can get rid of the excess salt. You don't have to boil your saltfish overnight. This was just my likings because I'm busy, so it saves me more time next time for cooking. So I just do mine overnight, but you can just boil yours and just wash it and soak it. So I'm finished picking my saltfish, so I'll just pour some more water on it for it to soak until I'm ready, because I like when my saltfish has a little salt but not too salty. So here is the rice now. It's almost ready. Just turn on the stove so that it can stay and steam for about 5 minutes. Now I'll be doing the saltfish. So remember I said that half is for the saltfish and half is for steaming the cabbage, because I don't like my saltfish and cabbage together, so I steam my saltfish separately from my cabbage. So now I'm adding the saltfish. A little black pepper, and then I'm gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes. Alright, so the saltfish is ready, so I'm gonna turn off it now, and then I'm going to steam the cabbage. So now I'll be steaming the cabbage. So I'm adding the remainder of my seasoning for the cabbage. Adding the, now I'll be adding the cabbage. When I'm steaming my cabbage, I add a bouillon for taste. I'm adding garlic and the onion. Sometimes I'll add a vegetable bouillon. I'm adding a little extra virgin olive oil. That's what I had put in before for the seasoning to saute. So now I'm adding a little more. Just a small amount of margarine. A little black pepper again. And then I'll leave this to steam for about 3 minutes. So guys, this is the finished product. My plain rice with saltfish and cabbage, and I'm having some avocado, better known as pear for Jamaicans, as it's pear season.